Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Nationwide for managing auto insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Nationwide website. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Fill in the required personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password for your account. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, return to the login page. Enter your email and password in the designated fields. Click the Login button to access your account. You may encounter a security verification step. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete the verification. Once logged in, navigate to the My Policies section. Look for your auto insurance policy in the list provided. Click on the policy you wish to manage. From here, you can view details about your coverage and payment options. To make changes, select the relevant options such as Update Coverage or Manage Payments. Follow the prompts to complete any changes you wish to make. If you need assistance, use the customer service options available on the screen. Keep your login information secure for future access. You are now authorized to manage your Nationwide auto insurance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.